It's 51st year of Ganpati here at the Kapoor family home, and I'm here with Tushar. Tushar, you know. कितनी जनरेशन से चला आ रहा है. हमने जितेंद्र दी को देखा है, हम आपको देखे, आपके बेटे को भी देखा है, आसपास यहीं पे है. आपके लिए कितनी क्या महत्व रखता है टू पास ऑन दिस टू द नेक्स्ट जनरेशन? हाउ डू एक्सप्लेन टू द चिल्ड्रन हाउ इम्पोर्टेंट दिस इज?
I haven't really sat and explained, but I think over the years he's understood the meaning behind it, and it's about just having some conversations and explaining to them that it's not about something that you have to do, but it's about something that you need to understand, to believe in, and to continue with the emotion even after the Bappa Puja is over and he's left her home, to be able to understand that we have to carry forward the clarity and the simplicity in our lives and be happy no matter what.
आप हमें बता सकते हैं कि इतने सारे फेस्टिवल्स होते हैं, हमारे लिए सब स्पेशल है, बट गणपति बप्पा जब आते हैं वो कितना स्पेशल होता है आपके परिवार के लिए?
It's very special because it's part of our lives now. So it's nothing out of the ordinary for us. It's something that we feel like is part of us by now. And it's important because I feel more sorted. I feel like he's given me the guidance to be able to, Ganpati Bappa has given me the guidance to be able to be happy no matter what I'm going through, and to understand that there are obstacles that will eventually be the enlightenment in our lives. They come for a purpose. So I think that mental clarity is what I think Ganpati Bappa brings into my life, and I really believe him for that.
And last question, any memory that you really cherish of Bappa with your family that over the years, maybe a childhood memory, one memory, and you can give us a Hindi.
इन 80s के दशक में जब मैं बड़ा हो रहा था तो पुराने घर में गणपति बप्पा की पूजा होती थी. तो आई थिंक उस ज़माने में तो आई थिंक बिल्डिंग हुआ करता, वाज ग्रोइंग अप, तो बिल्डिंग के फ्रेंड्स आते थे, तो वो हमारे लिए आई थिंक वी वर नॉट रियली अंडरस्टैंडिंग द sanctity of the entire occasion, but हम ये समझ रहे थे कि हमारे लिए एक पार्टी है. So that is a very good memory for us. Ganpati would come and bring all the Ronak, cousins would come, building friends would come, holiday हो जाता था, स्कूल से छुट्टी मिल जाती. So we were quite naughty in that sense, and that's the only memory I have right now.
Okay, thank you so much. If you can say Ganpati Bappa Moria.
Thank you, Ganpati Bappa Moria.
Mangal Murthy Moria. Thank you.